Well, you got your first habitude this past week. It was called windshields and rear view mirrors. And part of the teaching involved the clip from the Marshall University film, We Are Marshall. And I'm standing outside of the plaque where that took place. And if you remember in that clip, it wasn't just about looking in the past and remembering the tragedy. It was about what it means when we begin to draw our energy from looking forward. So when you're going to a football game or just walking past here, look over by gate 10 and you'll see that plaque. And you won't just think about the fact that something terrible happened. What you're going to think about is we are about looking out the window, the windshield, and moving forward in life. That's where we want to get our energy from. Now, we're going to move around a little bit and we're going to tell you about your assignments for this week. Sound good?
Sounds great.
All right. Well, we're out here at Downey-Ficklin Stadium, and it's an awfully lot quieter here today. And one of the things you learned about being a Pirate fan is we go out to sea on the good days, but we also go out on the bad days. And it wasn't our best day yesterday out on the field, but as Pirates, we stick with it. We don't give up. And sometimes when we say no quarter means we don't give up, period. And so, in fact, athletics are a really big part of what makes ECU a great school. And so that's why we want to give you a semester-long selfie assignment. And it's quite simple. Sometime during this semester, before December 1st, we want you to take a selfie at a sporting event. Now, it can be the football games if you want to do that, but we also have basketball season coming up. We've got volleyball season coming up. And when you get out and support those folks, it's a great time. It really is. And some of those games are also a lot cheaper. And so go ahead and get a selfie shot out there. Maybe you'll get a bonus point for having it taken with Petey. What we got going on for this week?
So just want to also emphasize that, sporting events at ECU are not necessarily about how much you love football or volleyball. It's more about rallying together as a family, supporting fellow Pirates who are on the field or on the court. So definitely you have the whole semester to do it, but go to a game and join that part of the Pirate family and just really rally behind our teams. Even in the bad days.
Even in the bad days, and they will come.
So, a few reminders for this week. We're actually not going to have a book question with this quiz. You've got the whole semester to do it. We'll know if you didn't read your book when we're in class this week. So just focus on getting out there, getting connected for this quiz, due December 1st. A couple of reminders, though, that do apply to this week. Remember, on Thursday, your first transition paper is due. If you've got any questions about that, just send an email to Joe or to me. We'll be happy to help you through that. Also, this Thursday, your CPRs are due, one for each of your different syllabi. So again, if you have any trouble with any of those, reach out to us. We'll be happy to set up a time to get together and help you. This week, we'll be focusing on shifting from long-term planning to more day-to-day, short-term planning. So bring those syllabi back to class, bring your CPRs, but also bring your planners. And we'll be working with those when we're together in class. Have a great week.
Now we'll see you this Tuesday, and our next habitude on Tuesday is going to be baggage fees, okay? We all got baggage and we all pay a price for them. We're going to talk a little bit more about baggage fees. So go ahead and do that chapter, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, and if I can get this out by tonight, have a great Labor Day weekend.